Crack.
Hey guys, my name is Lloyd and I want to welcome you to Jumpstart Abs. Today we are meal prepping. Today guys, we are cooking chicken. Here I have 10 pounds of all white meat chicken breast. We're just gonna go ahead and, oh, you hear that sizzle guys? You hear that sizzle? Going down, it's sizzling. Chicken. So when you guys think of chicken breast, don't forget it's like booze. So basically, I'm gonna bring this to a nice little boil. Now, how I like to cook my chicken is I like it to be nice and rich, decadent. I don't like dry chicken. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do to keep my chicken nice and moist, because you gotta think, when you reheat your chicken, guys, this shit's gonna be dry. Whether you put it in a microwave or whether you warm your chicken up on the stove, you pan it, you heat it up, whatever you do, it's gonna be a little bit dry. So what I like to do is take a little bit of cooking spray. I suggest you use olive oil. Either one is good. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my favorite Flavor God seasoning. Now if you guys see, I have 2 pans here of chicken. So what I like to do is give myself a little bit of variety, because I don't like to eat the same shit over and over and over again. So on one of my pots here, I'm gonna use my honey barbecue Flavor God seasoning. Put a nice little proportion of it on there. Then for my next one, I'm gonna use my everything seasoning. Now, I gotta tell you guys a funny concept about this everything seasoning. I actually came up with a little slogan for it. I puts that shit on everything. Alright, a little bit of sprinkle there. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and stir that up there. Oh yeah. Here's a little something I'm gonna show you guys for our non-vegetable eaters here. I'm not a big vegetable fan, alright? So why I get my veggies in is I like to go, got some mixed peppers there. I'm just gonna pop these open here, and I like to add it in. Pop another bag open here. Then we're just gonna stir that up here. If you guys are like me and you like seasonings, it's okay to go ahead and put a little bit of extra seasoning on there, because I'm all about flavor. The real good thing about this chicken and meal prepping is once you've been doing it for so long, it kind of becomes repetitive. So I remember when I first started meal prepping, I was in the kitchen, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I was on YouTube looking at videos on how to cook, and then I started to realize that you have to pretty much make your food for yourself, for your liking, to your taste, because at the end of the day, you're the one who has to eat the shit. But also, you have to remember that the food that you put in your body is gonna dictate how you're gonna look, how you're gonna feel, you know? Just like carbs. Carbs give you energy, right? Protein builds muscles, but it's all dependent on what type of protein. You know, you wanna make sure that you're using your lean proteins, your all white meat chicken, turkey, lean ground beef, bison, those type of things. Now typically it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make this meals. So what I like to do, I like to smother it a little bit. I'll put some tops on here. Really gets your chicken cooking, really gets it nice and moist. Now we're just gonna let this simmer and cook for about a good 10 minutes. This is the time that I like to put aside to answer any questions that you guys may have. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you shoot me a DM _ jumpstartabs.com or _ Lloyd Taylor _ shoot me some questions, guys, and let me know what type of content you guys want me to shoot. Let me know if there's any questions that I can answer in pertaining to meal prep, how many ounces of chicken you need, how many ounces of beef you need, how many grams of carbs that you need to intake. All of that stuff is on my program, guys. Make sure that you guys log on to www.jumpstartabs.com and just take a look, just browse. Sign up for one of our training programs. We are offering an incentive right now. It's 40% off, so I suggest that you guys take advantage. I'm only running this pre-sale special until the end of the month. So it's about the 26th, so you got about 4 days, guys. 4 days to save 40%. It's summertime, man. Don't you guys want abs? Who doesn't like abs? I mean, see that simmer? Oh yeah.
It look like I've been cooking. It look like I've been cooking. It look like
Flavor God. Oh yeah, guys. I'm just about finished here. Just letting this seasoning really simmer in there so it gives it like a nice rich flavor. And then I'm gonna step on over here where I got my Tupperware set up, and we're gonna weigh out our meals. I would tell you how many ounces of protein I'm putting in it, but that's when you have to join my program, jumpstartabs.com. All right, guys, so we're wrapping up our meal prep. Just want to give you guys a glimpse of the seasonings that I use to prep my meals. I use the everything seasoning and the honey barbecue seasoning. As you see, our meals are pretty much weighed out here. I'm gonna add our carbs in, letting the meat cool down a little bit, and we'll put our meals together. And that's pretty much it, man. Meal prepping made simple. So it's just to give you guys a quick glimpse on how easy it is to prepare your food. Remember, preparation is key in anything that you do in life, not just in fitness, not just in your personal life. Preparation is key and essential to everything you do in life. Thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys log on to jumpstartabs.com and use the code JUMPSTART, all capitals, for 40% off each program. Flavor God.